Hi and welcome back, you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Today I'm gonna do a quick little review on this amazing eyelash glue. I'm telling you, this thing is amazing. It's under $5. I've been wearing it for so long now. I've been demoing for a month. I do not have any allergies to my eyes. It applies on so beautifully. Now, I've been wearing this since 8 in the morning and it's about 4 in the afternoon. I'm about to go pick up my son from school and I just want to give my true review on how amazing the application is on this eyelash glue. Now, let me tell you, I've tried many eyelash glue that takes forever to even dry. This one dries so quickly, and once you apply it onto your eyelashes, it just looks really natural. Look at that. Like, a lot of the time people don't even realize that I have eyelashes on. Two, when the time comes to removing it off, it just removes off so easily. It does not yank on your natural eyelashes. It doesn't leave a lot of awful residue on your natural eyelashes. That's one of the reasons why I decided to do a review on this one, because what I hated the most about wearing eyelashes is that when you remove it off, that glue just sticks on your natural eyelashes and it's so hard to get off. Sometimes it even yanks out my natural lashes, and I was so pleased by just how amazing this is. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's very simple. It has a lot of moisture in it, and I believe that's the reason why it doesn't yank on my lashes. Also, I think the aloe, it's good for people who have sensitive eyes or sensitive skin like me. So I'm just gonna show you guys. It comes out in a white form. Now, I got the clear version. You could get the black one if you prefer. I've just been used to the clear and I'm happy with it. Comes with a really nice wand. And then all I'm gonna do is take the eyelash, I'm just gonna apply it on. See, with the brush, it just makes it so much easier. It gives you little areas where, like, if you need to get in really good, the brush will give you that ability to do it. So that looks pretty good. Then you just give it a couple seconds and then it'll be ready to apply on. So normally what I like to do is just take an eyelash curler and curl my eyes just a little bit, just so that when I grip them together, it looks more natural. Nothing outrageous, just really simple. Then I also like to put just a little bit, like one coat, nothing outrageous. Usually takes less than like a couple seconds. I take my tweezer and we're just gonna place it onto the eye lid. Let's see. I like to go on the inside because it looks more natural. And I look before I really place it, and that looks perfect right there. Then when I open, I could kind of see where you should never stretch your eyes. That's what my dermatologist tells me, but I have to be able to get in there. Perfect. So you can see the before and after, how much of a difference it makes. And honestly, this took me less than like 1 minute. If I were to do this on my natural eyes, by the time I curl it, mascara, I just get so exhausted because it never will look like this. And this set seriously looks so amazing. I get so much compliment that people don't even realize that I'm wearing falsy lash. There you go, with both sets on, so you guys can kind of see what it looks like. It just makes your eye look so different. So I just wanted to just show you guys how simple it is to use this glue when you're working with falsy lashes, and how amazing it is to just put on and it lasts all day. Can you guys see that? I mean, no eyeliner, and it looks so good, so good. So this eyelashes will last me probably a good 15 use if I use it with this glue, because when it's time for me to remove it, I could just remove the glue off so easily with just Q-tips and a little bit of coconut oil. That's another reason why I love this glue. And if you are struggling trying to find that perfect glue, I highly recommend go out there and give this a chance, because it's literally You'll find them at the store between $2.99 up to like $4.99, and for an eyelash glue, that's awesome. Okay guys, so this has been 12 hours of having the lash on my eyes, and as you can see, it's slowly starting to come off. So I'm just gonna show you how simple it is to remove it. So I usually like to go from the end, get a nice grip, and then once I get an opening, I lightly just peel it off just like that. And as you can see, there's no heavy residue on my eyes. Also, on the eyelash itself, it's really simple. I don't know if I can focus. It's actually really simple to clean off. I'll clean off the glue and I could probably wear this so many more times. That's why I love the glue so much, and I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like at the end of the night when you're removing it off. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.